Do you want to learn English and enjoy a short story? Let's do both in just 2 minutes. Hi everyone, I am Janvi. Welcome back to my channel. Today I will tell a short story in easy English. After the story, I will explain the important words and moral. Ready? Let's begin. Once upon a time, in a quiet village, there lived a dog. He was skinny, always hungry, and wandered the streets every day looking for food. One day he found a bone. He was very happy. He picked it up in his mouth and started walking home. On the way, he crossed a river. He looked into the water and saw another dog with a bone. He didn't know it was just his reflection. The greedy dog wanted that bone too. So he opened his mouth to bark. And guess what? His own bone fell into the water and he had nothing now. The dog didn't get the second one and he also lost the first one, all because of his greed. This story teaches us a simple and powerful lesson. If you always wanting more, you might lose what you already have. How often do we forget to appreciate what we have? We look at others, what they own, what they achieve, and we think, I want that too. But sometimes being thankful for what's in our hands, the smartest thing we can do. The moral of this story, don't be greedy, be grateful. Because what we have now might be more valuable than you are chasing. Let's learn some simple vocabulary from this story. First, greedy, wanting more than you need. Second, reflection, the image you see in the water or mirror. Third, bark, the sounds a dog makes. If you enjoyed this story, comment below. Greed loses, grateful wins. And if you want more stories like this with English learning and life lessons, so please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Bye bye.